Hello everyone, MSRNJ 2007 here, and today is, let's see here,
The following statement was issued by the Oklahoma
Wednesday, June 16th, 2021, at 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And this will be the 7 p.m. required weekly test on the WXK85. This is actually the first required weekly test I've filmed in over a month, due to, weather and other stuff. So, yeah.
The public is also asked to avoid refueling during the morning and early afternoon hours, and to avoid the use of two-cycle engines such as lawnmowers.
Well, actually, I tried filming it last week, and they claimed that it was canceled, but an hour later, all my radios went off, but I didn't hear them because all of them were turned off because I was preparing for my trip, and I was going to be leaving Thursday afternoon.
For more information on health effects, call the American Lung Association.
But I just turned them off the night before, just so I wouldn't forget.
4674. You're listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 6 p.m. weather observations.
Also, this will be the first alert I've captured off the ER10DP, which will actually go off. So, yeah.
The pressure was 30.00 inches and falling. At Norman, it was sunny. The temperature was 93. The wind was south at 8. Observations from around the region. Temperatures were between 94 and 97 degrees. It was sunny at Tulsa, Amarillo, and Lawton. It was mostly sunny at Wichita, and Dallas, Fort Worth. At Denver, it was partly sunny. Once again at 6 p.m. in Oklahoma City, it was sunny. The temperature was 92. This is your weather radio station WXK85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma. The following is your hazardous weather outlook.
The HH50 is not going to go off because last time I had it on for weekly test, I forgot to turn it off and drain the batteries. So, yeah. So I'm not going to do that again.
Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday, thunderstorms. There is a chance for thunderstorms across
Alright,
Oklahoma.
5 seconds to go.
And again on Monday and Tuesday for much of the forecast area. Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of